because this paint is absolutely battered. This Audi RS5 has been f***ed up by the dealership. Obviously it's a bit dirty at the minute, so we need to get it cleaned so you can see the real damage. So now it's clean, let's get it inside and we can check out what the real damage is.
Coming into this, we knew the paint was bad, but not quite this bad. Considering this had just come from a dealership, we were all in shock. So stay tuned to see how bad this really is. Now it's inside and we've seen how bad that paint is. Let's start the polishing and bring it back to life.
So now we've got it inside, it's clean. We need to do a test spot because this paint is absolutely battered. We need to see what is going to give us the best result and then least aggressive method first. So because the Audi paintwork is quite tough, we're going for the red GYEON pad, which is a heavy polishing pad, and we're going to try the Compound Plus first. Let's see how this is looking. So there's a little bit of haze on there, which is pretty standard for using a heavy cut, but as you can see, it's got rid of all of the buffer trails and etchings.
You want when you're here with me.
So that is it, the polishing stages are done, so let's get on with the coatings. Okay, so that is this Audi RS5 now fully protected with GYEON ceramic coatings. It's been a bit of a mission, but I'm sure you'll agree it is looking absolutely fantastic now. It's had a multi-stage machine polish with some isolated sanding and, well, as you can see, a markable difference.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
So as you can see, we are definitely back on YouTube. If you're liking everything so far, make sure you follow, subscribe, leave a comment to let us know what car you've liked so far and what you want to see in the future.